Hello friends, in this video we will record for the scatter chart. Scatter chart is a chart that displays the relationship between two variables. When we say variables, it is two columns in the data frame. For example, you can look at this data. It consists of hours of study that a student is dedicating and then the marks he has obtained. So for 5 hours of study, he got 50 marks. For 6 hours of study, he got 70 marks. For 6.5 hours of study, he got 56 marks. And the scatter diagram looks like this. On the x-axis we have the hours, on the y-axis we have the marks. You can reverse this if you want, but I have put hours here and marks here. This is the title of the chart, and you can see here for 4 hours he has got 40 marks. So at 40 there is a dot. Then for 5 hours 50 marks, and like that the data has been plotted here. Now how to generate this kind of a graph using Python? Let us look at it. So as we can see here, I have opened a Python notebook on Jupyter Notebook, and I have named it as simple scatter example. So first of all, we will import the Pandas class. Then I have created a data frame manually. So instead of importing any data frame, I have taken the same data which we have just seen in the PowerPoint presentation. And here I have named first field as hours, and this is the data. Then the second field is marks, and these are the various values, and we have enclosed this in curly brackets and passed this to the data frame function of the PD that is Pandas, and it will automatically create a data frame. And when we display this data frame, we get an output like this. Hours are this and corresponding marks are these. Then we have imported the matplotlib pyplot class, and in this we are using the plt.scatter function. In the scatter, this is the x-axis field, that is hours, and this is the y-axis field, that is marks. Then I have given a title using the title function. Using x label, we have labeled the x-axis as hours, and using y label, we are labeling the y-axis as marks, and plt.show is used to display the graph. And we can see here we have the output. The graph has a title which we have given. The x-axis and the y-axis are labeled, and as you can see here, for 4 hours 40 marks, for 5 hours 50 marks, and like that the whole plot is plotted. I hope this video is useful to you. It's a short video for scatter diagram, and I will be posting more videos on scatter diagram, so stay tuned. Okay, thank you very much.